Hey, in this video we are going to learn how to become a vendor in FireKirin. First of all, open up your favorite web browser and type in firekirin.com. After that, click on the three lines which is at the top of your screen and click on Contact option. Here you can see Become a Vendor. Click on it. You need to fill in the application here. Type in your first name, last name, phone number, email and a message, and click on Get in Touch with FireKirin option. After filling out the form, submit it for review. FireKirin team will assess your application and upon approval, provide you with access to their agent management system. Be prepared to make an initial investment. For example, investing 10,000 can potentially yield a 5-fold return. Ensure that you have a clear financial plan and understand the investment requirement before proceeding. Once approved, you will receive training on using the FireKirin management system, credit distribution, and player account management. FireKirin offers continuous support to help you succeed in your role as an agent. Familiarize yourself with and adheres to all legal and regulatory requirements related to gambling in your jurisdiction. Promote responsible gambling practice among players and comply with FireKirin policies. By following these steps and committing to responsible gambling practice, you can embark on a rewarding journey as FireKirin agent. So that is how you can become FireKirin vendor. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.